Hi, it's Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I've got a Bendi card for you using the Tea Together stamp set, which is brand new. And when you're done with the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and then look down in the description box and you'll see links to other members of the Creating Kindness design team who are also sharing Bendi card videos today. So, let's not waste any more time and flip this camera over and see this Bendi card. For this Bendi card, we're going to start with an old olive base. And this piece I have run through the tufted embossing folder after cutting the slot for my Bendi card. Now I've gone ahead and cut my two pieces and added my designer paper, petal promenade, and some of the tear and tape. You can find all the directions for doing that much in my Bendi card basics video. So I'm going to start by tucking this tab in, my bottom's lined up, and then I'm going to push, make sure that I'm lined up at the bottom here, and then get this other piece down. And then we'll be ready to finish the embellishing. Same thing, I'm going to push to give it its curve. I'll tuck that piece back in just a moment. Line the bottom up. It's sticking out just a smidge. There you go. Tuck this back into the tab. And then I'll begin to add my tea time pieces. So next, I used the Tea Together stamp set, and I stamped the teapot and the teacup and embossed in gold, and cut them out with the tea time framelits that are free during celebration. We're going to add those. And then I've also used a sentiment from Life is Grand. These little swooshes in the font made me think of steam. And I've masked off and done this hello and then cut it out by hand. So let's add these pieces. First I'm going to put my teacup on. I've already added dimensionals to the back. And I want my cup about here, and then I'm going to place my teapot so that it looks kind of like it's pouring into the cup. And I've just added dimensionals along the bottom here and left a space here in case you want to fold the card flat. Okay. And then again, I've added dimensionals all along the back of the words here. On the back of my card, I'm going to add a piece of Very Vanilla so that you can, well, one, so that it will hide the tabs from these two pieces, and two, so that you can write a sentiment on the back of the card. Not that just saying hello isn't plenty. Okay, I think I've got all of that on. And then I want to kind of put that here. Let's see, is that going to... I need to make sure this is straight, so I'm going to use my grid lines. And see here. Okay. So, more or less, that's my Bendi card, a simple version. I may embellish more, so you'll have to check out my blog, theartfulinker.com, and see what I have done with this. I'll also have a quick download there for you with all the measurements and scoring for the basics of the Bendi card. Thanks for stopping by. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker, at theartfulinker.com, and I hope you'll click some of the links in the description below to see what else our group has to offer today. Bye.